What time is it? 00 a.m. She is going out again. Why does she go out every night? What is in that big bag? Something is not right. I need to know.
Good morning, Dad.
Morning, Anna. Eat your breakfast, Anna.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. She is hiding something.
It is very late now.
Sorry I am late. It's okay.
Are you tired?
Just a little. It was a long day. She acts so strange. I can't focus on my homework. Who is she talking to? Yes, I have the stuff. I just need a start. Yes. I will bring more tomorrow. More what? Is it dangerous? I must find out her secret. I am home early today. Look! Her secret bag is here. Let's see what is inside. Money? Medicine? She is a criminal! I will not sleep tonight. I have to go now. I must find out the truth. Don't look back, please. Where is she walking to? Hello, I am here. Where is she going? What is inside that old building? I need to look through the window. Wow, it is so bright inside. Wait, these are children? Look at my picture. Wow, that's amazing. What is it? I have food for everyone. Here is your food. Eat well. She is not bad. She is an angel. Hello, Emma? You are helping them? Come here, Anna. I didn't want to worry you. I was a child without parents, too. I just want to help children like me. It's okay. You can come with me next time.
Yes, I will. I want to help. Here is your food, little boy. Yay!
I am so proud of my family.